and welcome to Puro. In this short video we will show you where to connect the weighing platform inside the Puro indicator. The easiest way to do this is to start removing the screws on either side to remove the bracket. Simply unscrew these by hand to remove the bracket. When the bracket has been removed, turn the indicator to be face down. On the back you will see 4 screws in each corner. Using a Phillips screwdriver, simply remove the screws. This will allow you to open up the indicator. When the 4 screws have been removed, carefully lift off the top of the indicator, minding the cables, and lay it face down on the bench. On the rear side of the display is the terminal block to wire in your weighing platform. Here is an example of the platform wired in. The wiring diagram can be found in the manual and in the presentation. Thank you for your attention.